Hey everyone, thanks for joining us here in the chat. It's on to the Crypto Flight Edition. Your fellow competitor speaking. All right, so a quick video on the Dogecoin price action. I think I've underestimated the true target or power, whichever one, of Dogecoin. And we're going to explore that in this very simple video by looking at the weekly candles. We're going to give you one level, a line in the sand that would prevent anything that I'm saying on this video to come to fruition or for it to actually happen. Just one level. So stick around for that. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action only. And welcome in all of our new subscribers, guys. Welcome on in. So let's not waste time. Let's go over this simple chart and the one level. Let's dive right into the charts here. Shall we? So today's August the 15th, I think it is, 2021, and the current price of Dogecoin is going to be 31 cents, slightly positive 8.6% for the day. All right, so welcome back, ASMR Interesting Analysis. So we're actually stopping in. We have about 4 hours to close on this active weekly candle. Let's reveal the chart here. Okay, really simple. Okay, it looks kind of, I guess, not really complicated. It's really simple. All right, so weekly candles. Again, this active weekly candle here, this green candle that I'm pointing at here, has about 4 hours to close. We're looking for one level, guys. If you watched our previous video, 30 cents. That is the only level. We'll get more into details about that here in 1 second. But what I want to show, kind of explore with you all, you wonderful folks here, the number 6 represents 6 weekly candles to move down. You see these red candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles moved down 60%. Okay, remember, if you're new here, we only focus on buyers and sellers in the market, not whale wallets, not China banning crypto, none of that stuff. Buyers, sellers. Yes. Okay, so 6 weeks to move the price down, represented the red candles. Okay, red candles. Let me just kind of circle it here. 6 weeks to move down. I've already pointed it out, but I'll beat it a little bit. Okay, 6 weeks. All right, so now the green, that's the red box, obviously. And now the green box represent the buyer's bullish counter move, okay? And it has only taken 4 weeks to move the price as over 100% because the low is here at about 15 cents, and currently the market has experienced as high as about 32, I think even a 33 cent wick, okay? And that represents over a 100% bullish counter move in only 4 weeks. So basically what I'm assessing here is there may be more momentum to the upside, assuming that this weekly candle, this active weekly candle, closes above 30 cents. Some may say, dude, you don't realize the price is already above 30 cents? Yes, I absolutely realize that the price is above 30 cents. But remember, these are cryptos, okay? They move very fast. So let's just say, hypothetically speaking, remember, guys, by the way, if you're new, we are invested in Dogecoin, although we have contradicted ourselves, saying that we would never buy into Dogecoin, although we were just following through with our strategy. So we have found ourselves invested in Dogecoin because of our strategy. Please follow through with your strategy as well. But to be totally transparent with you all, I'm going to go over a potential retracement scenario here, just to keep it transparent here. Let's just say that Dogecoin actually moves down, okay, before they close within 4 hours. This candle is going to close at about 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and print a freshly minted weekly candle, okay? So let's say Dogecoin moves down at about, let's see, it's only going to take about a 5 to 6% move to the downside to push Dogecoin to 30 cents. So essentially that would mean that the price would still be green, like a lot of people look at, green days and red days. But those who follow us closely, we look at support resistance levels. Doesn't matter if it's a green or red day, right? Sometimes it matters, but just to keep it simple, if it's below 30 cents, it would still show a green screen and people would say, oh yeah, everything is just fine. But technically speaking, it would close below the previous, that important level, guys. 30 cents is so important. Let me just put a line there and get the actual number somewhere right around there. So that's going to be 0.301, okay? Let's kind of get a zoom in here. You see how that weekly candle is just kind of, pardon me there. That weekly candle is just kind of poking its head above that white line there. If we can get a nice close above that level, and then the market actually opens a weekly candle right next to it there, and it cannot, get back below that 30-cent level, yeah, expect the market to move higher, guys. It's going to rip higher. Even if it doesn't rip higher, expect it to move at least up to a conservative price target of about 38 cents over the next 2 weeks. That's not including this week. That's actually starting next week in about 4 hours. Okay, like August the 16th, leading on over to like August the 23rd or the days thereafter. Okay, if the market is above 30 cents, really simple, guys. 38 cents conservative price target. Okay, I think it could obviously get substantially higher, but I don't want to just start throwing out these very bullish targets just because we're investing. I always want to keep it, totally neutral with you guys, okay? But it's very, very clear to see 30 cents. Again, if it stays above that level. So to summarize this video, if the market stays above 30 cents within the next 2 weeks, not including this active weekly candle, but the next week, okay, that should open here in about 4 hours. If it's above 30 cents, expect the market to either have a slow, move to the upside. I'm not sure how fast, but I do see a conservative price target of about 38 cents. Okay. Within the next 2 weeks, you have to be super conservative with the time. Okay. That's actually a 18% move to the upside from the current level. Yeah, like 37, 38 cents. Okay. So that's going to end the video, guys. You have the one level that needs to stay above. You have the time frame. You have the conservative price target. And I think we disclosed everything. So hopefully you guys are doing well. So go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. And leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video. Also, if you're new, we also cover the traditional stocks if you're into that. 7 days a week. So kindly join us here on this interesting journey. And we'll send you that information when it is available. All right, guys, thanks for stopping out. Be sure to execute your strategies. Remember, keep that positive energy flowing. You pass it to me. I pass it to you. You pass it to your neighbors. Okay? Always be kind. We'll talk soon. And bye for now.